Hi, now I am going to explain how to install and how the Excellent Online Classes app works. Yeah, already we installed that app. Okay, now you can see here is our Excellent Online Class app. Just click over that, then you will get a screen like this. There, if you see phone number is one column is there, enter password, that is the second column. Is it clear? Just as per the request sent by a school in your message, you got a phone number, just type over there that phone number. You need to type, enter your password, whatever the password you got from the school as in message, just you need to type it as it is. Then done. You have to click on login. Yeah, then you are going to log into the Excellent platform, Excellent online classes platform. You are at there. Yeah, here it is our dashboard, Excellent Online Classes app dashboard. This is, yeah, here at the bottom you can see dashboard, you can see quiz, there you can see doubt, there you can see profile. First of all, let me explain about this quiz. This is our platform. On the platform you can see there ongoing, here you can see that, next one upcoming, next completed, there you can see here. Let me explain ongoing. That means quiz means in this sector all the exams, STs, whatever we are conducting, that will be published here, right? When you are writing any exam, when we are conducting any exam, ongoing exam will be displayed here. Is it here at the time you can see 11/5 to 13/5. According to that time, exam is going on there for third class students. Is it clear to you? For demo purpose, we started an exam. Is it clear to you? I want to explain about upcoming. Upcoming means in future. Suppose after this time, suppose tomorrow we are going to conduct an exam, then we can publish here. Then you can see completed. Whatever you wrote exam, that will be displayed at here. Right. Next we are going to ongoing. Yeah, here is exam is there. Exam is scheduled 11/5 to 13/5. Is it clear to you? On 22nd. Is it clear? Let's we write. To write this exam, there you can see the play button like this. Just here this button. The second button you need to click. Right. This is FA1. Some demo exam we kept here. That is for 40 minutes from Excellent School. All the best wishes are there. Right. Here you can see the box. I accept all the terms and instructions. Whatever we told to write, that you have to click over there. Start test button is there. You have to click. That means you answered all the questions. Then you can click on finish button. Are you sure you want to finish quiz? Yeah, you have to press yes. When you press the yes button, rate your experience. What you feel, this is terrible question, bad questions, okay, good, okay, I am typing it as a good. Let me submit. Click on submit button. When you submit, you got the total summary of your test. Your accuracy is 72.73%. Correctly answered questions, out of 11 you answered 8 questions correct, wrong answered 3. Response time, that means to complete the overall 11 questions ST of 40 minutes, you have taken 1 minute 21 seconds. Questions attempted, out of 11 questions you are attempted, total score 8 you got. Next, here category wise analysis is there, subject wise, chapter wise, question wise. So let me go to subject wise. Here we are taken a demo mock test for only one subject, science. Then it shows the graph like this, but if you take 2 more subjects, then 2 more subjects will display here. Then in this it shows that green indicates 8 questions correct, red indicates 3 questions wrong. Let me click on back. Next, chapter wise also it will show you science. If any other chapters you have taken, the chapters will display here. Next, question wise, here it is important. Question wise, out of 11 questions, whatever the green ticks that are right, whatever the red cross, this is wrong. Suppose 5th question is wrong. What is the correct answer? Just tap on that 5th question. Hi. Now we will see that how to go through live classes, live lecture, how to go through live lecture through this app. Now we have to tap over that app. Now app will open. If you observe on the top, live lecture is there. If you observe here also, live lecture join now option is there, coming soon option is there. Is it clear to you? Suppose if you belongs to it is single ID platform, then you can click on join now, then the class will continue. Otherwise, live, you have to click on live join. There you can see that live lecture is going on for the time 14:57. Is it clear to you? If you click over the join now, then you will enter into the class. Otherwise, this ID is for 2 members, then click over the batch. You can see there 3rd class and 7th class. Now we will click over the 7th class. What will happen? 7th class. For 7th class, live lecture is there for 16 hours. That means at 4 o'clock, class will start. Now for 3rd class, now the class is going on 14:57. Is it clear to you? These batches, those who are the 2 students are there using single mobile, then they have to go through this batches option. Otherwise, if you click on this join button, it will go out. Exit the class. Okay. Suppose if you want to, your brother is there in 7th class, he want to join the class mean, then he want to click over the 7th, then it will become 7th class platform. It will start at 16 hours means 4 o'clock. Then at 4 exactly here will be join now option will enable. Then you have to click over there. By that you can join in that class. I am coming back. Yeah, already I explained you about regarding the tests. Here the test is going for batches. You have to select. For if it is using for single ID, then in that batch one class will be display. Is it clear to you? Don't get confusion in that. If both members are using in that, this app is made developed for both members in the family, 2 members, 3 members, they can simultaneously use this app, that single ID. But you have to tell the management to that they have to integrate. We will integrate you in the same panel. In this way, this panel works, this app works. Here you can see in the dashboard, live lecture is going on, join now option is there, live lecture upcoming class will display here. Is it clear to you? When the time comes, here will be join now button will come. In this way you can use this option. Yeah, here it comes to profile. In this profile, your data you have to, in this profile, commit to edit option is there. You have to fill all these options. Okay, city, state, whatever that you can fill all over this. Okay, save changes means it will save all the changes. Next, regarding this one, in next video I will explain, but up to now I explained how to attempt quiz and how to take live lecture. Okay, live lecture is going on, we have to click join now. Is it clear to you? Online classes app in iOS, Apple mobiles. For that, we need to go to the link that we will share you. When you click on that link, it will direct you a browser window. There you have to click login. Whatever the login ID you got from the school, that you have to type over there. Next, password. Next, click on I am not robo. Join, login, you have to click. Okay. In this way, you entered into the platform. Here you can find upcoming quiz found, dashboard, lecture, actions. Third class and 7th class, already I told you that your class will be selected here, your lecture will be, dashboard will be here. Upcoming quiz, no upcoming quizzes are there. When you click details, yeah, ongoing quiz is there. Yeah, if you click over that attempt, begin quiz, okay. Here the test contain 11 questions. Yeah, here full marks plus 1 mark is there, 0 negative marks. Yeah, start quiz. When you click over start quiz, here the quiz starts. Birds breathe through their lungs. Next, like this you have to answer. The things that cannot move by themselves, shape. Let me answer randomly, that I am not reading the question to make you thorough with these options. When you complete it, just finish the quiz. 11 attempts, 0. Yeah, finish. Finish the quiz. Okay, finish. When I click over the finish button, feedback, you can click OK. Okay, by that we concluded that the correct answers 6, total score 6. In this way we can attend quiz. Okay, for live lectures, here you can see lecture board is there. For third class you can select, there is no live lecture. If any live lecture is there you can see that join now. By that you can join in that quiz. Those who are using iOS, Apple phones, for them in this way they can use this app from the browser. I hope so that you got it. Your dashboard panel will be like this. Okay, in this you can see the dashboard and lecture, and when the quizzes are going, ongoing quiz, that you can, upcoming quiz is not there, ongoing quizzes are there. Okay, by this you can get all this. In this way you can use this app in iOS. Thank you.